20 years has passed by since millennium. So many things have been put on the internet. I was thinking, in this particular industry and all the other manufacturers, many treasures are hidden in the dark. If all this data could be collected and analyzed in the internet, what would happen? And that's what we call the big data. And to do that, we need IoT. Hi, I'm Juan. This little box I'm holding right now names HXbox. I know it's not that pretty though. However, it can make Internet of Things on-plate exchanger comes true. And I'm gonna show you how it's gonna do that and what it's capable of. It's a kind of network device. You need to buy the SIM card, but not as one as you carry in your smartphone right now. You may ask the local internet service company if there is any SIM card is able to support in narrow-band Internet of Things, or check the link below. Unlike cell phone, there's no complex apps to achieve lots of different tasks. It's really simple, just uploading the acquired data from the thermal and pressure sensors time by time. You don't need to worry about the power supply, because the battery could last at least 2 years. And you may not worry about loss of signal. Do you remember when you're taking the lift or staying in the underground? The 4G signal of your cell phone is always missing, only 2G left, because electromagnetic wave will be reflected when the size of the medium is longer than the wavelength. The frequency of 2G is lower than the others, so it is easier to come through thick concrete walls. The signal intensity is 3 times stronger than 2G, and for most of the plate exchanger users, if by any chance there are 1 or 2 parts lost in one transmission, the device still have them safe and will upload in the next round. So some people would wonder how comes it consume less energy than cell phone? Why does it has stronger signal? Well, this will take some time to explain. So you probably know all digital information is a sequence of ones and zeros, from email to video stream. Of course, there are modulation and demodulation processes. The radio wave follows the basic physics rules like all the other waves in electromagnetic spectrum. The more frequency the wave is, the easier to attenuate, which means it needs more energy to consume for transmitting and less coverage. The shorter wavelength the wave is, the weaker diffraction, which means the signal is easier to be blocked, and the frequency is inversely proportional to the wavelength. The internet we are using from 2G to 5G is based on cellular network. To carry more information at the same time, 5G used high frequency and short wavelength wave to carry information. That's why we got to build base station everywhere. Narrow-band IoT technique, on the contrary, is using lower frequency and longer wavelength radio wave, and it can use the same cellular network, which means technically you could use the narrow-band wherever you could receive signal. And less frequency means less energy cost. Imagine there is 100 of plate exchanger keep running for district heating system around the city in underground 24 hours 7 days. Compared to PLC system, narrow-band units upload all data to the cloud server directly. Engineer could be alerted in time if anything goes wrong. Through the analysis reports, it's much easier to detect the problem for service team. In this case, the device has been running for 20 months. In every 1 hour, the temperature and pressure status will be uploaded to the server. The temperature, pressure, thermal load, and all the other data are very literally willed as pictorial form. The battery is 18,000 mAh. As I told you, if the upload rate is set 24 times a day, it could last 2 years. You may adjust the upload frequency as you need. The accuracy of temperature sensor is plus minus 0.2 Celsius degree, and the range of pressure sensor is between 0 and 2.5 megapascal. Please let us know the working condition of your device, especially the fluids and working pressure. These two sensors are made of stainless steel. We may offer you different material for detecting heads according to your information. So that's all. If you want to know more detail about Narrowband IoT using on-plate exchanger, please send us an email. So see you again.